vitória?
Tenho a impressão, não, eu tenho a certeza. Todos nós estamos cientes disso, todos nós sabemos a força e o impacto que o Cristiano tem, a força e o impacto que o Cristiano teve no futuro de muitos de nós, jogadores portugueses, as oportunidades que ele criou para as gerações que vieram a seguir, a maneira como Portugal começou a olhar para nós. Já olhavam com algum respeito, mas obviamente por tudo aquilo que o Cristiano conquistou, por tudo aquilo que ele fez fora de portas, fez com que o nosso nome cada vez fosse mais.
Bruno Fernandes, the attacking midfielder of the Portugal national team and Manchester United Football Club, speaks here after their match against Slovakia, in which they ended the game for the huge win as they punished Slovakia for almost 3-2, and it was just incredible as Bruno Fernandes contributed each goal on that match. In fact, he did an amazing job, he did an incredible job, and everyone was of course impressed. He was so amazed. I was of course it was enjoyed, in fact. And here he speaks about, he speaks on the next match is that they expect to play very soon, and now he thanks the teammate, technical bench, and the fans for winning that match and qualifying to the Euro 2024. Of course, it is so incredible, fun and attractive as now